Hey everybody, I'm Gina from Zaka Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to install a metal flex frame onto a pouch. We're going to use the Zaka Workshop kit, the Scrappy Squeeze Pouch, which comes with a pattern and also comes with a flex frame. Let's get started. The kit comes with a flex frame, and there's a little screw that you'll need later, so just take it and keep it in a safe place. So you're going to take the flex frame and you're going to insert the metal sides into the casing openings of the purse. You just feed them in, and it's very easy to do them at the sides at the same time. Push it all the way down. And then with the table, you can kind of cinch the bag so that you push it all the way through so you can see the other side. So the final step is to insert the screw into the frame. So you're going to take your frame and your screw, and you're going to push the sides together. And then take the screw and just slide it through until you hear a little snap. And if you want, you can use pliers to help you do that, but it's pretty easy to do with your hands as well. So that's pretty much it. Flex frames are really great. They open up nice and wide, and you can store all sorts of things in them. If you want to make more than one, make a bunch of these cute little purses for your friends, you can get extra hardware at the Zaka Workshop website at zakaworkshop.com. Thanks for watching.